Welcome. Here, you will find step-by-step solutions to different math problems. Please subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Today, we will solve a math problem related to statistics. Here is the question. Following are the marks obtained by students in a test exam. Classes 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. And the corresponding frequencies are 4, 6, 10, 17, 11, 9 and 3. Calculate the standard deviation. Now, let's solve it. Solution. Here, table for the calculation of standard deviation is as follows. We need to calculate the mid-values x of each group, which are 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, and 85. Then, calculate for fx and fx square for each mid-value x, as given in the table. Now, find the sum of f, fx, and fx squares. From the table, we have got n is equal to 60. Summation of fx is equal to 3340. Summation of fx square is equal to 2,300,000. Now, by the formula, standard deviation sigma equals to square root of summation of fx square divided by n minus summation of fx divided by n whole square equals to square root of 200,300 divided by 60 minus 3340 divided by 60 whole square equals to square root of 3,338.33 minus 3,098.75 equals to square root of 239.55 equals to 15.48. So, the standard deviation of the given grouped data is 15.48. I hope you have understood the solution. If you have your math problems, please comment it. I will solve your problems in the next videos. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.